Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents. We're here on Grainsby Avenue in Holton-le-Clay. A beautiful village location, set on a cul-de-sac. This 3-bedroom bungalow is coming to the market for £280,000, and the current owners have really improved this property since they've been here. It's fantastic frontage you've got here with an in-out driveway with the blue slate, block paving, and the way it's been dressed allows you to come in this way and go out the other. Plenty of parking on here for multiple vehicles, plus something like a caravan or something like that, with a driveway entrance here with double gates into an area there to the side, obviously well screened as well by tall fencing. And then the entrance to the property is here. Got a nice little addition on the front. At some stage this has been added, just creates a little porch area to enter into, double glazed. It's all carpeted through the main front door, a frosted UPVC door into this very lovely and neutrally decorated hallway. We've got a radiator, storage cupboard, coving and neutral walls. I'll just take you to the right first into the lounge. Again, all neutral tones. Looking really classy, beautiful fireplace with a discreet mood lighting, and then a curved walk-in bay to the bottom with vertical blinds. Windows to either side as well. It's a nice big room. That's another view of the hallway. We're going to the kitchen. It's a beautiful light grey fitted kitchen, marble effect worktops and metro tile splashbacks. You've got your oven hob, gas hob. Extractor over, beautiful ceramic white sink, more units there. And then tall fridge freezer integrated here with more workspace, and of course space for a large dining table and chairs. Windows to the rear. Give you another view of that kitchen. Really is very smart. While we're in the kitchen, we're going to go out the back before we go to the bedrooms. You can see you've got a rear porch, frosted windows, leading out that way, and then you've got the convenience of a little cloakroom here, again all neutrally decorated, beautifully presented. And we go out to the rear garden. So the little parking area I was talking about here leads on to a detached garage, so you've got plenty of space to pull in a camper van or something like that if so desired, on a concrete drive leading through to the garage, which is there. All very low maintenance still as we get to the rear with this well laid astroturf grass, beautiful tall fencing to give you that screening. There's even a hot tub here to enjoy, and you can see here at the back, which I'll show you once we go inside, there's a nice little conservatory with a sliding door which allows you just to sit inside and enjoy the garden even on the more colder days. But that's a better view of the garden, as you can see there. Nice patio area positioned exactly where the sun hits most, very well laid. A little service area around the back of the garage with some water collection and space for the bins, and that's a view back to the house. The sun is trying to come out today to show you what this garden can give, but it's a beautiful area. It may appear that it might be a bit smaller than you think, but when you get in the garden it's a beautiful big size and it's beautifully done, and it's all low maintenance. So back into the house again, just to remind you, on Grainsby Avenue in Holton-le-Clay. This little 3-bed bungalow, I say little, it's a good size. This bungalow is coming on the market for £280,000. So we're back into the entrance hall again. Take you into the bedrooms. So we'll take you into this bedroom here first. It's all neutrally decorated, and it boasts the other side to the house, which is the pop-out walk-in UPVC bay window. And there's a huge set of wardrobes in this room as well to show how big the room is. Nice curved radiator into the window. Another double bedroom here, and this is also at the front in the centre. All neutrally decorated, vertical blinds to the front. Storage cupboards in the hallway, as you can see there, full height, 2 of them. And then the 3rd bedroom, which can either be used as a bedroom or as an inside out room. This is how they've got it, with some more seating in here for another little lounge. Looks like a music room with records and things. And then that doorway into the conservatory that I mentioned when we was on the outside, just to sit, look and enjoy the garden with access through there and through there. I think that's a window actually, maybe, or it might be another door. That's a window. So this will be a lovely place to sit and enjoy looking out to the garden. You can see again, the garden looks absolutely gorgeous from here. So this is what we've got. 3-bedroom detached bungalow on a really nice plot. Bags and bags of parking to the front. We've got a garage as well. We've got all low maintenance, so no lawnmower required on this one at all. We've got block paving parking and low maintenance frontage as well, which the owners have spent a small fortune on getting right, and it really does set it apart from most properties on this street. If you're interested in this one, give us a call. Crofts Estate Agents, 01472 200 666. Thank you.